Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are in Lexington, South Carolina. Gonna head out onto Lake Murray. Now, Lake Murray is a massive lake. It is 50,000 acres, somewhere in that neighborhood. And I'm sure you're probably wondering why I'm not doing my normal on the water intro. You'll see. It is incredibly windy, and I had recorded an intro out on the water, but it was so windy you couldn't hear anything. So here it is. This is the Larry Koon landing out here on Lake Murray. Hope you enjoy the video. First fish out here at Lake Murray. Let's get him back in the water. Second little fish of the day. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Well, hey guys, it is about 10:30, and I am going to do an abbreviated fishing schedule. I came out here. I need to start paying more attention to the weather because the temperature is good. Man, this wind is so crazy. I don't know if you can see. I mean, it's like I'm on the ocean out here. So yeah, it's not even enjoyable, quite honestly. I went back into a little cove and tried to get out of the wind a little bit so I could actually fish, and it's no better out there. So I'm gonna actually have to call it because it's just entirely too windy. But again, if you'd like to know more information about the boat launch or anything, you can find it down in the description box. Obviously, if you like the kind of content that you see while you're down there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully some of this is coming out because it's so windy. I'm sure the microphone's getting all blown on. But whew, man, it's rough out here. Let me get back to captaining, but I will see you next week. This is Josh, and this is B.A.S.S Fishing.